Learning English, Intermediate Grammar, Relative Clauses. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will delve into the fascinating world of relative clauses, focusing specifically on the usage of relative adverbs, with a special emphasis on using why for reasons. So let's get started and enhance our understanding of this grammar topic. Relative adverbs are words that connect relative clauses to the main clause and provide additional information about time, place, or reason. They can be used to introduce clauses that modify nouns, just like relative pronouns. Here are some common relative adverbs. When refers to a specific time or a general time frame. Where refers to a specific place or a general location. Why refers to a reason or a cause. In this section, we will focus on the usage of why as a relative adverb for expressing reasons. When using why, we connect the relative clause to the main clause and provide an explanation or a cause for the main clause. Let's look at some examples to better understand its usage. 1. The reason why I love learning languages is that it opens up new opportunities for me. 2. In this example, why introduces the relative clause, I love learning languages, which modifies the noun, reason. It explains the cause or the reason behind the main clause, is that it opens up new opportunities for me. 3. That's the restaurant where she had her birthday party. 4. In this example, we use where as a relative adverb to introduce the relative clause, she had her birthday party. It provides additional information about the noun, restaurant, and specifies the place where the birthday party took place. Remember, why is used specifically to express reasons or causes. It helps us understand the motivation behind certain actions or situations. Now that we understand the usage of why as a relative adverb, let's take a look at some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Incorrect. The reason why he was late is because of traffic. 2. The word because already expresses the reason, so using why in this context is redundant. 3. Correct. The reason he was late is because of traffic. 4. Incorrect. That's the school why I used to study. 5. In this example, why is used incorrectly. Instead, we should use where to indicate the place where the person used to study. 6. Correct. That's the school where I used to study. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to use why as a relative adverb to express reasons. Remember to pay attention to the context and choose the appropriate relative adverb to convey your message accurately. Practice using relative adverbs in your conversations and written English to reinforce your understanding. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your knowledge of intermediate grammar. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you in the next video.